The magic point of your video is within the first 30 seconds of your video. Your ability to retain your viewers within the first 30 seconds of your video is very important. If you are able to retain your viewers within the first 30 seconds of your video, it will determine the success of that video. The first 30 seconds of your video will determine if your viewer will stay till the end of that video or they will click off. Now, here are the tips that you must follow in order to retain your viewers till the very end of your videos. Hello, you're welcome to Probity Guide. Here are the tips that you must follow in order to retain your audience. Number one, start with something really relevant and impactful for your viewers. Don't start your video with self-introduction. Starting your videos with hello, my name is this and that is not really necessary. Nobody is really interested in knowing you. Make sure you go straight to the point. Save the self-introduction till the later part of the video. Number two, directly address the viewer's problem. Make sure your introduction address your viewer's problem. Ensure to state out some of the benefits that your viewer will get at the end of that video. With this, you'll be able to hook your viewer till the end of that video. Tip number three, make sure your introduction meets the expectations that you give to your viewers through your titles and your thumbnails. To every thumbnail and title that you upload, there is an expectation that you set in the mind of your viewers, and then being able to meet this expectation within the first 30 seconds of your video will make your viewers to stay glued to that video till the very end of it. So make sure that your introduction meets the expectations that you give to your viewers on your title and thumbnail. Tip number three, delay your call to action. Now, what is call to action? Call to action is when you urge your viewers to subscribe. You said if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell. That is call to action. So you don't have to bring this up within the first 30 seconds of your video. You can do this at the middle of your video or towards the ending part of your video. Don't do your call to action at the very beginning of your video. Another thing, make your intro to be all about your audience. Let it be all about your audience. Let it carry your audience in mind. Let your introduction be what matters most to your audience. When you give a title, there is an expectation within the mind of your viewers, and then being able to meet that expectation means you are carrying your viewers in mind. I hope you've learned one or two things from this video. If you've done that, please kindly subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell, like and also share it to others. And see you in my next video. Bye.